Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about bagging method and how to classify data using BaggingClassifier class of Scikit-learn library. Bagging, short for bootstrap aggregating, is an ensemble learning technique in machine learning that combines multiple models to improve predictive performance. It works by training multiple models independently on different subsets of training data and then combining their predictions through averaging for regression tasks or routing for classification problems. In this tutorial, we'll briefly explore the basics of bagging technique and learn how to implement classification using Scikit-learn's bagging classifier. The tutorial covers introduction to bagging, bagging with single estimator, bagging with multiple estimator models, and conclusion. Bootstrap aggregating is widely used technique in ensemble learning to improve the performance of machine learning models. In bagging, multiple base learners are trained independently on different subsets of training data. These subsets are typically created by sampling the training data with replacement. Each base learner then makes its predictions, and the final prediction is often obtained by voting for classification tasks over the predictions of all base learners. The main idea behind bagging is to reduce overfitting and the variance by combining the predictions of multiple models trained on different subsets of the data. This often leads to better generalization performance compared to individual models. Random forest, for example, is a popular ensemble learning method that uses bagging with decision tree as base learners. Now let's start implementing classification with bagging method in Python. We'll begin by loading the necessary libraries for this tutorial. Here we use datasets, model selection, ensemble, tree, and metrics. In this tutorial we use iris dataset. First we'll load the dataset and split it into train and test parts. Here we use 20% of data as a test. To define a base classifier, we use decision tree classifier class, then initialize the bagging classifier with base estimator and its number. Here we define a decision tree classifier and bagging classifier, providing base classifier, which is decision tree classifier, and the number of estimators. You can change this estimator number according to your dataset. Then we train using the fit method on train data. After training the model, we can predict test data and calculate the accuracy of prediction. Here we predict test data and calculate the accuracy and print the results. Here is the result. We reached 100% accuracy and precision. Recall F1 score and support are provided in the classification report. In the next part of this tutorial, we implement multiple base estimators and check their performance. To evaluate the estimator model's performance, we create a custom classification dataset and apply classification with each estimator. Other than decision tree classifier, we use Gaussian naive Bayes and logistic regression classifiers. First, we create a sample dataset. Here, I created a function to generate data with 3 features and a label. There is some logic in here. Then we split target data into test and train. We initialize base estimator models here. Then we collect all of them in an array. In this loop, we initialize bagging classifier with base estimator, and the number here is the number of estimators. We fit the model with train data and predict test data. And finally, we print the accuracy. Here is the result. The first one is logistic regression, and accuracy is 100%. And the second one is Gaussian naive Bayes. Accuracy is 91%. And decision tree classifier has 95% accuracy. Based on this data, you can select the appropriate base estimator model in your bagging classifier. That's it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, we briefly learned about the bagging technique and how to classify data using Scikit-learn's bagging classifier class. We also implemented multiple estimators for classifying data and evaluated their performance. I'll put the link to source code and this tutorial in description. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit like button. Thank you for watching and see you next time.